Listen to any successful entrepreneur worth hundreds and millions, if not billions of dollars, and they'll tell you one thing, that if you want to have like a massive company, a massive enterprise, a really successful business, which gives you the life of your dreams and all of that nice stuff, you need to have employees. Basically, people who you can pay very little, and in charge for their services, you charge a lot of money, and the difference is basically profit for you, and you get to enjoy that money without doing any work because the employees are doing the work. So if you really want to have a business which gives you the life of your dreams, you need to have high quality people working for you. And I just received this message from this guy where he's like, bro, if you help me like connect with people who want my services, if you book like qualified sales calls for my company, I'm gonna be paying you $100 per call. And I was about to say no to this guy because like we have a like my service is like I help B2B companies, basically companies, businesses which sell to other businesses. And because they sell to other businesses, they have to get in contact with these businesses, and they have to book like meetings with decision makers like CEOs, owners, founders of these businesses. And yeah, that's basically what they want. Like they want more appointments so that they can convert the appointments into customers. And like they used to spending like 500,000, $2,000 to acquire a customer. So when I go out to these businesses, I tell them, bro, I can help you like get customers for like just $100 per appointment. Getting a sale on that is not very difficult because there's absolutely zero risk for them. So for me, like I'm in a very unique situation where I actually have to say no to people because we get so much of demand. Like getting a sale for me is not really difficult. It's actually service delivery and fulfillment. And because I have like so many clients right now, I was about to say no to this freaking person right now because I'm like, bro, like a lot of people won't believe me. So you might know Shad Khan. So I'll just open the chat. I don't think so his number will be visible. Or just opening WhatsApp like quickly. Why the frick is WhatsApp not opening? Yep. So yesterday I sent him this text that we'll start pumping out appointments soon and everything. And yeah, so what basically happened is like he also worked with us. He has this company called Bundle Media, and we were working with him as well. And I literally sent him this text saying that we'll start pumping out appointments soon. He also agreed to work on like a paper qualified call basis with us. And I'm like, bro, we'll start getting your appointment soon because like sorry for the delay. Like we generally had a problem where there was so much of demand for our services and not enough supply, where we have like high quality employees and staff to manage this enormous, insane, huge amount of demand. And we were working in pretty successful companies. So seeing that, because this was like a genuine problem, because I sent this message to him, I was about to tell this guy like, bro, we cannot work with you because there's no way we can actually fulfill the demand. But then I had an idea. I can find appointment setters, pay them like 10 freaking dollars to like set appointments, and $90 is gonna be like pure fucking profit for me. And that's when I had the idea that I could like go out and like just start hiring people for my company so that they like it's absolutely zero risk for me. I get these people to work with me, work for me for free, and only when they deliver the results, someone else like the people who are supposed to pay me, like Shad and Paul and all these different people, like Mark, they pay me, and after I receive like the $100, I pay the $10 to these people, and for them, $10 is life changing money, like not $10 but $10 per call, because they can book like 10 meetings a day, and they can be making like $3,000 a month, which is life changing money for a lot of appointment setters. And booking 10 calls a day when that's the only thing you're supposed to do is not very difficult. And I was about to go and add employees. So I just thought maybe I'll just document the entire journey, the entire process of how exactly you're supposed to do everything. Like this is how I hired my sales reps and all. And yeah, this is like just me doing the same for it. Like just me creating a way to hire high quality employees for free, because I got the idea for this from Alex Hormozy. Like I was literally about to shut down this business. Like this business where like getting sales is like so fucking simple, because I was like, bro, this is not scalable. I cannot deliver these services to so many different people. And then I watched this video. Like I was coming home from the airport yesterday, and then there's this video where he basically said, bro, if you say like your business is not scalable, you just don't know how to solve a current problem in your business and you're trying to run away from it. And I was like, damn, bro, he's absolutely correct. Like, I don't have like a hiring funnel, I don't have like a hiring system, and that's the problem I'm trying to run away from. And he was like, bro, any business can reach $100 million. And I was like, bro, I'm not even at like $10 million. So if any business can reach like $100 million, surely this business of mine can reach at least 10 millions. At least it can reach like 1 million a month. And I just need to hire better quality employees. And that's where I got the idea. I need to learn the skill of hiring because that's the current constraint of my business. Because if I have like good quality employees who can actually deliver the services which I'm promising to these people, it's going to be easy. So what I did is I sat down, like I'll be creating everything live in front of you, but I actually did some preparation. So I went to Miro, which is a free software where you can create like whiteboard type of presentations. You can use this, or you can use like different ones like Lucid. I think it's called Lucid app, if I'm not wrong. So it's something called Lucid app. I think so, like something like that. Just search whiteboard apps. And yeah, I think this is the one, like Lucid Chart, something like that. So there are a lot of different whiteboard apps. And I just created like this simple whiteboard where I thought like, what am I hiring for? Which was appointment setters. And appointment setters are basically people who will go and book these appointments for my clients on behalf of my company. And they're going to be paid like $10, and I'm going to be receiving like $100. So I'm going to be getting paid like 90% margins, whatever. And obviously there will be some more expenses and everything, but I'll have like 60, 70, 80% margins easily. So then I thought, let's say I wanted to give out all the information related to this job. So I just created like a simple whiteboard presentation, and I said, bro, we are hiring, like, you're going to make $10 for typing 3 to 5 messages on your phone. And then I answered all the common questions like they might have before they apply for the job. Because I just thought like, if I was an appointment setter and I was looking to get hired, what are the questions I would have? So then I answered like, what do they have to do? Then I answered like, how much do I get paid? Because they're thinking like, how much is the salary, everything, and what are the criteria for getting paid? Then they probably would be thinking like, how much can I make? I answered that. Then I answered like, how much do I need to work? Like, how many hours is this, like full time, part time, whatever? Do I need experience? And all of those questions. So I just thought of all the questions they might be having, and I answered all of them in a simple whiteboard presentation. Next question they might have is like, how exactly am I supposed to set appointments and everything? I answered that. After that, I was like, bro, they might be thinking, okay, you answered all my questions. So how exactly can I get started and everything? So I had this condition where they have to donate at least $1 to a charity of the choice, and we won't like take them as an employee if they cannot even donate like $1 to a charity of the choice, and then they would have to fill like a form below. And yeah, and I just basically use this whiteboard presentation to record a quick video which explained what exactly, just a quick presentation which showed like what exactly like what exactly are we hiring for. And I just like recorded a quick Loom recording of this. So this is a 24-minute video where I basically like go through all the questions someone might have in their head. And yeah, so like I was just about to create the funnel. Like, if you're wondering like what exactly we're doing, we're going to be creating a funnel. A funnel is basically, if you don't know, like a place where people, like a landing page, like a website where people can visit, they can get educated about what we're hiring for, and then they can fill out a form, and then we contact them if they are qualified to work with us and everything. So that's what we're going to be doing, and this is going to be me doing all of these things live. Yeah, so we're going to create this, like I have this video already, because I did not want to sit and wait, like make you wait like 24 minutes, just make you look at me speaking about this. If you want like access to this exact video which I filled out, so you can see like what exactly you're supposed to do, if you want to hire people for your company as well, then you can like simply like leave a comment and I'll reply to it with a link of this video. And yeah, after that, anyways, so we come over to SalesGen, which is like my fucking software, like the best software in the fucking world. And then you come over to sites where you can create like a simple funnel. So I'll actually like create a new folder as well, so that in the future when we're hiring people, everything can be over there. So over here, we come over to a funnel where, yeah, we come here, we open the hiring folder, and now we create a funnel. So I'll just click on like the plus button, and I'll just give the funnel a name. So appointment setting hiring. Boom. Create. Yep. So what the game plan I have in my mind is that we're going to create this funnel, and to get traffic, basically to put this funnel which has all the information related to the job in front of people and the next steps for them to apply, I'm gonna be reaching out to people in like LinkedIn groups and like Twitter communities and Facebook groups. And yeah, just hire like good quality talent. I'll just be like opt-in page. Like for some reason the video stopped recording, so we just gave the page a name and gave it a path. Like for example, like let's say the path is basically like let's say salegen.com. So this is the domain, and after that we have like a hash sign and what like this text. So what appears after this, like this hashtag thing. So after this, like the hash thing, we want like appointment setter to appear. So it's just like something which people can see and they can see, okay, like this guy is hiring for an appointment setter. So you set the path over here, and I'll just be like, yeah, create funnel step. And by the way, you can also import your funnels from ClickFunnels if you want, like if you're already using ClickFunnels. Anyways, after that, we simply click on create from blank over here. Now we create a very simple funnel with a headline and everything. So yeah, first thing, we add a section, then we add a row, then we click on plus element, and then we add a headline over here, and now we create a funnel. So in the headline, we simply write out like, what's a headline which would capture the attention of the people. So first thing, I think we can create like a place where people can literally see like what exactly are we hiring for. So I'll just copy the exact color code of this. So this is like an extension which you can use to copy like the exact color code of something. And over here, I'm just going to make the background color the same one as that of a video. I'll add this like custom color, and I'll paste the color code. Boom. And yep, update color. So now we add like text. So basically we're just calling out who we are looking for. And yeah, so I'll just write attention appointment setters. Boom, I'll just add an emoji as well, which grabs attention. Yeah, I think this is the sign. I'll copy this. And instead of black, I think we can use white, because white would obviously look better on the blue thing. Yep. And now because there's this massive gap, I think we can remove this margin as well. So in the margin, we do 0, 0, 0, so that we don't have this like random gap. Boom. And actually it's still pretty big, so I'll actually take the margin into the negative as well. So minus 30. I'll do this minus 30 as well. Minus 30. Boom. So attention appointment setter, so people know who this page is for. Then we click on the plus button. We add another section. Boom. Add row. So basically you can do this in like any funnel building software. You probably know what a funnel building software is. If you're at the stage in your company where you are having like hiring employees and shit, so you can use like any freaking software. It all works the same. So I can be like type 3 to 5 messages on your phone, get paid $10. Uh, yeah. Mm, limitless. I'll actually add like a very cool funky font as well. So over here, you can actually like select the font you want to use. Where's the exact font? Custom font. And over here, I'll choose this thing called Caveat. Like it's a very popular font. Not a popular one, but it just looks very nice to me at least. And I'll add like a lot of spacing between the letters as well. And I'll have some more. Like I'll add line width too. I'll make it bigger. And get paid $10. So I think that's a headline which will probably catch attention of people. Then we add another row, and then we add like the headline, which basically explains everything. We are hiring appointment. We are hiring appointment setters, and yep. I think we can actually put this above like the thing. Boom. I can actually like underline this as well, make it a bit bigger. I think 40 is big enough. Yeah. After that, I'll add like a row below, like another section over here, and over here we add like a 2 column row, and on the left we're gonna add like a video, and on the right where I'm gonna have like the benefits of the job. So actually we can do one more thing. We can add like a progress bar where we can tell that the first step of everything is that they need to watch this video, and after that, so I think we can do that. I'm gonna add like another row over here, and over here I add a 1 column row, and now we can add an element called progress bar. So I'll add this, and over here we can change like the exact text over here. So I'll write step 1 of 2, watch video below, and I'll change this to the exact color over here. So, and over in the advanced tab, we can make this bold, and yep, and I'll make the size medium, percentage 70%. Yeah, looks good to me. And yep, actually I'll reduce the margin below, like just reduce the space below this as well. And yeah, this looks good to me. Over here, we simply add like a video, and yeah, we can just drag the video element over here, and we can upload like the video from directly from YouTube, Vimeo, Wistia, custom embed, or like we can host it on our platform as well. So you can do that. And yeah, but I'm just going to do custom embed because otherwise I'll have to download it and upload it, whatever. And you can actually like go over here, click on share, and like select embed over here, and just copy the embed code. One thing you need to keep in mind is you need to make some changes to ensure it is embedded properly, and for that we have created like a tutorial. So in the SalesGen community you can find a tutorial on how you can like properly embed like Loom videos inside of SalesGen. So I'll just search for it over here. So yeah, there's this thing, and like TLDR, you can watch this entire tutorial. I already know how to do it. So what we do is we have to like just paste this thing in the embed code so that the Loom video is embedded properly. So we need to find where this thing is, like frame border and this double quotation mark. And before that, we just found it like frame border and this double quotation mark. We paste the exact text, and I'm not going to cover this entirely in depth because it's already covered in the post. So yeah, you can refer to that. And now we just paste the embed code of the video, and we can click on this eye icon and see how the web page is gonna look like, just to see that the video is attached properly and everything. And one thing I can see over here is that this is like in the middle instead of being towards the left. So I'll just make it towards the left, like the text alignment. I'll come over to advanced, and over here I can click on this, and now it appears as if like it's in the left and not the freaking middle. So this is what it looks like. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah. So now people can, if I was in, they can watch the video which explains everything. And yep. seems pretty good to me. And over here, we can add like all the different benefits of the job. With actually, I can just like copy, like I can just get rid of the entire benefits thing and let people watch the video instead of that. And limitless earnings. Yeah, that's the headline. And I'll just like watch how this now looks. Just the simple video. Click on the eye icon and just click on the save button as well, so that we're actually saving and everything. So attention appointment setters, we are hiring appointment setters with limitless earning potential and guaranteed pay. I can add some spacing between the letters too, so maybe 2 pixels. I can make this a bit bigger as well, like maybe 50 or 45. And after that, I can make the line height a bit bigger too, so maybe 1.5. And boom, let's see how it looks. uh Actually, I'll just make it a bit smaller, because this is in like 3 lines, and I think this text setting in 2 lines is going to be good enough. So we're hiring appointment setters with limitless earning potential and guaranteed pay. Type 3 to 5 messages on your phone and get paid $10. So it looks pretty decent, pretty clean. And after that, like we can maybe reduce the spacing over here a bit as well. So that's what I'm going to do, is below this, like get rid of the spacing between this and that. Actually, like reduce it even further, whatever. And now in the video background as well, we can get rid of it, like the different margins and everything. So just click on 0, 0, 0. And I'm not like making a tutorial over here, so if you're unable to follow this, like forgive me. I'm just doing it like quickly, just trying to show you the thought process behind it. You can do it in like any funnel building software. So like that's what I'm going to do. So we have attached the video which explains all the different questions people might have related to the job position in your place. And yeah, that's the thing. So entire thing added. And once we've done that, now what we're going to do is add like the form which people can use to apply for the job. So actually, like I can clone this entire section, and then I don't have to create it. I can make changes to the text, and you can click on like this arrow thing below to put it below the video. And now we have another progress bar which we're going to use to show them, like it's the last step. So step 2 out of 2 is fill out form below. Boom. And I can just click on the publish save button, sorry. And yeah, after that, I can click on the plus button over here, add another section, and over here, click on add row, add a column, add an element, and over here, I can create like attach a form. I've already created like a form. If you want help in create like, yeah, this is the form I created, like appointment setter hiring form. I actually have to make a change to this as well. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do, is just make like a quick change to this form. I actually created a tutorial on how to correctly like fill out the form too. So I'm gonna like attach the tutorial over there as well. So yeah, I'll just click on save, and then I'll go back, and over here I'll open Loom as well because I recorded it in Loom. Yep. So in the sites column only inside of SalesGen, you can use like forms, and you can go to like form builder, and you can come over here to SalesGen. So yeah, this is like the form. And yeah, now I think it was called something like appointment setter hiring. So I'll just search for it. Yeah. So I created out a form. It's pretty simple to create, and let me know if you guys want like this exact funnel to be imported into your SalesGen account, or like you want this exact funnel and this exact form to be added already. So you don't have to like go ahead and create all these different things, like these different complicated stuff, like yourself, whatever. And I'll do it because it's already created. I can like add all these things to your account in like the click of a button, whatever. So yeah, after that, like I just come over here and I'll embed a Loom video as well. So by default, we cannot attach like a video as of me filming this right now. But what we can do is embed a video. So you come over here and where's the code button? Where's the code? Yeah. So this thing known as HTML is basically like a thing which allows you to add like custom code on forms. So you can click on edit HTML over here and you can just paste it. So I'll just click on like embed. What this video before filling the form. And yeah, I'll click on share. I'll click on like embed and copy the embed code and paste it over here and just see how it looks. Yeah, so now it's appearing like this, but I don't want like all these text and these buttons to be here. So what I'll again do is go to the sales and community and just copy like the extra code we need to add into the embed code field so that we don't have like the extra buttons and everything. So it currently like it won't make sense right now, but soon it will. So I can go to search Loom and yeah, I just need to paste this exact line of code when we're like pasting the embed code of the Loom video, and that would ensure like all these random buttons are not over there. So we need to find like the comma, like this frame border and this double quotation mark, and paste the exact line of code and click on yes, save. Click on save, and now you can see that the buttons and everything they're gone. And yeah, I can just click on preview over here, proceed, and now we can have like a brief preview of everything. So yep, looks pretty good. What I'll also do is change the like the suggested playback speed right now is 1.2x. I actually want to increase it to like 1.5x. So I'll do it inside of Loom only. So in Loom we can come over here, and what I can do is I'll actually duplicate it. I want the same to happen to the video which I added to the funnel. So I can come out to this Loom video and then I can click on the settings. I think you do it from settings. I'm not sure, like not a very big Loom export or something. I can come over to settings. I can click on like background noise filter, which will get rid of the background noise. I'll remove like the Loom branded player, and then yeah, recommended playback speed. Yeah, that's how you do it. I'll get rid of comments, everything, all of this crap which people absolutely do not need to see. Yep, save, and yep, now we should be good to go. So if I just reload it, it should hopefully be 1.5x as the recommended and the suggested playback speed. So we now have a form, and you can see like it's 1.5x, and this is basically, did I add like the wrong, I actually added like the wrong freaking video. Frick no. Like this is like the part 1 of the video which I just filmed right now. Like I'm filming this video and I told you, right, like the recording stopped. So I added it like the wrong video over here. So this is the actual one. So my bad guys, like so freaking sorry for that. I actually need to change it now. Damn. So this is like the correct one. So I'll just come over to settings. I'll ensure like the suggested playback speed is 1.5x. Boom. Click on save. Click on share. And click on embed over here. Copy embed code. After that, just close this form because I added like the wrong video. So don't make these stupid mistakes like me. Copy this exact line of code. And over here, click on frame border, this thing. Like this double quotation mark before frame border. And just paste it. Click on yes, save. And then you can click on preview. Boom. And now you can see what the form would look like on the website. So you can share this form as it is, but what we're going to do is embed it, like add this form onto our website. So boom. Pretty freaking dope. Yep. So actually I'll also like just add like a quick text saying that please watch this video before you actually fill out the form. So where's like the text thing? Yeah. Please watch the video below. Filling out the form. I'll actually make it a bit smaller in font. 20. Yeah, I think that should be good enough. Let's just see how it freaking looks. Yeah. So this video is basically like instructions on how they can fill out the form and everything. So just a quick explanation and everything. I'll actually go over here to Loom and I'll like delete all these chapters, these random chapters, because we don't need it. So yeah. How does this look? Yeah. Form looks pretty nice to me. And now we can simply add this form over to our website. We can go back and we can come back to funnels. We created the funnel inside the hiring folder. So we open the hiring folder and then we come over to appointment setting hiring. And then we come over here. We click on edit over here. And now we can simply add out the form. Boom. In the meantime, I think I can like increase the suggested playback speed of the other things as well, like the video which we attached on top initially. So I'll just go over there, like this is the 124-minute video, and I can come over here, go over to settings, and in audience, I can click on recommended playback speed. I can be like 1.5x. So yep. Why is this not loading? Actually, I needed to make one more change into the form as well. So it's actually a good thing, like it did not load. I'll go back. I'll like make some changes to the form right now. So we come back to the form. Like I needed to add like a proper looking submit button. So I'll just come here. And I've not planned or scripted this video, whatever. So that's why it looks a bit clunky, because when you plan it out in advance, you obviously create a document. You think of all the things or the encounters you might have. But this is like the raw freaking reality, whatever. And yeah, over here, I can just add like a button as well. Boom. And I can just like choose the right color, which is the color of the main page, whatever. And I can just copy this exact code and I can paste it over here. Over the text, we can be like, apply now. And boom, it looks pretty good to me. Yeah, just click on save, proceed. And now we can go back once it has been saved successfully. Also, we've added like conditional logic. So what happens is if someone, let's say he's like, bro, I'm like new, I don't have experience, whatever, then we like don't ask him like particular questions like his previous work experience, people he has worked with. So we added like a bit more conditional logic as well, so that like the form and the entire process seems like effortless and smooth, because like first impressions are the last impression. If your company has like good hiring process, you're going to attract like the right quality talent. Because if someone has like a clunky sales process, like a clunky hiring process, his company is probably going to be clunky as well. Because how you do something is how you do everything. Someone's the goat said it like while ago. So yeah, now we're back on the funnel and we add a form over here. So we just added like the exact form as well. And in case you forgot like how to do it, you can just click on like add element over here and click on form. And after that, select the form from the drop down menu. So I named it appointment set to hire. So we can like attach and embed the form. And after that, we're all done. Like we're pretty much done. So yeah, and I'll just see how the website looks on mobile as well. And obviously this text is very big for mobile. So what I'm going to do is make a clone of this entire section over here. I can't do it properly without, yeah. So I'll clone this and I'll ensure like one of them is optimized for mobile and one of them is optimized for PC. So I'll go to advanced and ensure like this one does not appear on mobile. And the one like this one, I'm going to be optimizing it for mobile. I'm going to ensure like this one does not appear on PC. So that it only appears on like mobile. And now all I need to do is make the text a bit smaller. And I think we should be good to go after that. We actually need to maybe add like 2 lines. Yeah, I think this looks good. Again, same thing. I'll make a duplicate of this row and ensure one only appears on like mobile, on the PC, sorry, and the one which appears on mobile does not appear on PC, like the desktop. And now we can like make changes to the text size so that like we're basically making it appear a bit different depending on people are viewing it on like mobile or desktop, whatever. So I'll make the text a bit smaller. Someone has. Yeah, maybe we need to make a bit of changes over here. Maybe we are hiring. Uh, let's see. Let's try to make it a bit smaller. I think we can fit everything in like 2 lines, 3 lines, sorry, and that should be good. Yep, looks decent to me. We can make this smaller as well, but again, we duplicate it. Ensure like the main one appears on desktop and this one appears only on mobile, because when we make changes to the mobile version, we don't want it to be like the desktop version is like being changed as well, because on desktop obviously you want text to appear bigger compared to mobile. And let's see how this looks. I can like get rid of it as a whole and just like leave this, and I can maybe make this text a bit bigger so that it fits in like 4 lines. Uh, Looks decent to me. Like mobile view never actually looks good. We can maybe see. Uh, this looks decent. Limitless earning potential and guaranteed pay. So this kind of looks decent to me. And then let's try to make it a bit bigger, a bit smaller. I'll actually get rid of the stupid margins as well, on like the left and right or something. It's actually at 0 already. What I'll do is maybe increase the size a bit. Yeah, this looks good. Oh shit, I made it 7. I think it was 28 when I left it. So that's the headline. And then we can maybe reduce a bit of a gap over here as well. So I can maybe make it 0. And yeah, we have the video over here. And then we have like the form which they can fill out. And the questions, in case you're wondering like what I've added in the form, is the phone number, like the name, email, phone number, and proof of them donating to like a charity, which is a condition I have. So they can upload like the proof over here. Then they can answer like how many appointments they have generated overall in their career. And then They can be like the social media URL or the website of the company or person you've set appointments for previously, and then proof of previous results, and like just them showing that they've actually delivered on the results which they are telling me, like they've achieved whatever. And then I ask them like, why did you leave your last job? Like, why do you want to work with us? Why should we hire you instead of someone else? Then I ask them like, what are the different like sources of outreach which they will be willing to use for us? How soon can they start working if they're selected and everything? And then the last question is like, they'll have to sign a contract that won't allow them to work for other companies or themselves if they're working with us. And yeah, that's the entire form. And boom, now we can simply publish it. Like I'll connect like a subdomain. So I'll add like a domain as well. I click on add edit domains, and I'll go to my domain provider hosting. And again, if this is not making sense, like I've created full on tutorials on connecting domains. Like I'm trying to create it like a technical masterclass where I show you like step by step how to do all of these things. So I might be going a bit fast as per liking. But again, I'm just trying to get it done. And I'm like, bro, I'll just like document the journey in the process. So I'll just gonna collect like a subdomain. So I have salesgen.com domain, and I can connect like hiring or like career.salesgen.com to my platform. So I'll click on connect a domain. By the way, you can connect like unlimited domains or connect careers dot appointment. Yeah, that's the subdomain I want to connect. Click on continue. Boom. And over here, I just need to add these records. Looks kind of complicated, really freaking simple. Domain portfolio. Open my domain. Click on manage and come over here. DNS/name servers. CNAME. Careers. Just paste exactly what is appearing on your screen. And here, I paste that. Add record. And after that, I click on verify records over here. And boom, it has been added. So the domain should be connected in 30 freaking seconds. And if you're unable to do it, like you can go over here and you can watch the help video. Anyways, we won't need it because it's pretty freaking simple. Verify records, blah blah blah. Just get run quickly, man. Like I sometimes lose my patience over, man. I'll just do some shoulder press instead in the meantime, instead of losing my freaking mind. Yeah. As soon as I started, it's done. So I can like now select what exact funnel I want to connect it to. So the name of the funnel we're building is appointment setting hiring. So I can just like click on proceed to finish, and it will be added. Like the domain which I've added right now, which I've connected right now, will be added to the domain. And boom. After that, yeah. So over here from the drop down menu, I'll just click on publish over here and connect domain button over here. And yeah, I can just do it from here instead of like depending on it here. And I'll close hosting here as well. I'll click on connect domain. Boom. I'll just go back like why is the domain not showing even though I've connected it. I can go to publishing and yeah. Overview. Yeah. So domain has been connected like careers.salesgen.com/appointment setter, and it might take some time for this to be fixed because right now like it's pretty new. Oh yeah, we'll have to wait for a while for this like the records to be propagated because like it's still freaking new or something. So yeah, we just have to wait. Like that's sometimes how it is. And over here, I'll just make some like last minute finishing touches. I'll duplicate this page as well so that I can add like the link to my logo over here. So what appears over here in like this image at my mouse pointer. So I can click over to SEO metadata and set like the title of the site, which is what appears like over here. It says Sawmill. So what appears over here. So I can be like hiring appointment setters apply now, just like that. and then I can click on update SEO metadata. I can click on save over here. Boom, the save button. Let me just try to click on this and see if it has been, yeah. So the domain has been updated. So now we can probably see this as well. Yeah, it has been updated. So yeah, all I now need to do is publish and the domain, everything is connected. We are hiring appointment setters with limitless earning potential and guaranteed pay. Type 3 to 5 and then people can come over here. They can see the video, watch the video till then, educate themselves, and after that, I actually did not like this has to be 100%. Would not skip this video and not watch it till then. Oh yeah, what's happening, man? Like I think I'll close this. Actually, like I wanted this to be like 100% because it's like the last step. So you can come over to advanced and I'll just like percentage width is 100%. So now the progress bar is like, yo, it's complete. Like you completed all of the freaking steps and everything. And yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll click on publish and just refresh it once more to see if the changes and everything has been published. So you can see now the site has been added as well. And boom, it's pretty much good to go from this point onwards. What I'll also do is like go on back and you can come over to media storage, I think, and I've added my logo already. So you can come here, come to media storage. We added my logo. I'll just copy the link to my logo, click on the three dots, click on get link, come over here. I published and made all the changes, saved everything. And now I can come here, I can click on like settings and over here where it says favicon URL, I'll paste it, I'll click on save. And now when I like reload it, hopefully my logo should appear over here. It's not appearing for some freaking reason. Yeah, you can see my company logo has been added over here as well. And we're pretty much good to go. One thing I want to add is like have like a live chat widget. And yeah, we're going to use AI in the chat widget later on. But right now, we can just do it manually because we don't know what type of questions people will give us. So the plan right now is we can like create a new chat widget. And right now, if we're going to be using like AI, we're going to use like live chat. But right now, what we're going to do is like let people put in their questions and their queries, and then we're going to reach out to them via WhatsApp and everything. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. So right now, like what we're going to do first is just figure everything out. We can do like all in one chat as well. So we can like manage everything like WhatsApp, live chat, like the widgets on a website, email, SMS, everything. And yeah, so we can like literally just do right now. We can like let people reach out to us, put their phone numbers and everything, drop their questions, and once we identify like frequently asked questions and all, then we can automate the entire process of like managing all of these. So now we can simply like make some changes to our live chat over here. The first thing is style. So I like, do I want the chat prompt? I just don't want it like the person, the lady saying like, do you have a question, whatever. So I can click on it because in the video I said like, yeah, we have it. I can choose like my custom color as well. So I'll just use like the exact color I use in like the landing page. So I'll copy this exact hex code and you can like use any color, it does not matter. And I'll just select this code over here and boom. It looks good to me. After that, some other changes. The header color, this looks decent. Maybe do I want some changes? Like, yeah, this looks good. Background color white is good enough. Button color, I'll just make it this only, like the color of the send button. Avatar background color, avatar border color. Boom. Visitor message color, this, and AI agent slash message color, this looks good. Font family, this is fine, doesn't really matter. Yeah, everything else looks good to me. We come over to widget customization and we can add like our own image or whatever. I'm just gonna like add my own image if we have it, and if we don't have it, I'll just use my company logo instead. And yeah, I'll just add that. Where do you want the widget to appear? I think like the bottom right corner looks the best. And yeah, widget dimension like auto only instead of custom. And yeah, after that, I can click on like chat window, title and intro. What appears, got questions. And we will get back to you. Boom. So what is said when people click on the chat widget, and then what they can do is like enter the name, phone number, and the message. We can add like other fields as well, like email and all these different fields. But right now, I think like only the name, phone, and message should be good enough. Mm, yeah. After that, do we want people to redirect them? I don't think so. Like, yeah, I'll just leave it at that. Additional options. Do we want agency branding? It's powered by Sales, and no, actually, it's fine. Even if we don't have it, I don't want to add this stupid checkbox. Boom. Get rid of the legal message. Acknowledgement. I'll enter my phone number. Placeholder color, I'll just add like the exact color which we added everywhere else. Yeah. Language, I think like Indian. Sorry, English, not Indian. Looks pretty freaking dope to me. Looks pretty good. Yep. Let's go back. And now we can integrate it to our funnel directly. I can come over to funnels. I can open my website. Like I can come over to hiring, and yeah, I can just click on appointment setting hiring, click on settings, and over here where it says chat widget, I can like just select the chat widget we just created, and now we can just like look at the thing, like how it appears and everything. I'll just open it up in an incognito window because that will give us like the best view what a random person would actually see. Ouch, my neck freaking hurts, man. Yeah, so looks good to me. Is the chat widget added yet? I don't see it. Yeah, chat widget has been added. So yeah, I can click here, enter a question below, and we will get back to you. And yeah, name, phone number, message. I don't want this stupid message to be here. Yeah, let's just see. Maybe is it worth changing? I don't really know. I don't really care like about legal shit and all. Maybe I should, man. Like who knows? No, 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 no. Additional options. Hmm. Boom. Click on save. So now we should probably not see the stupid branding or the stupid messaging now. And yeah, the funnel is pretty much ready. And now all we need to do is copy the freaking link, and yeah, we just start reaching out to people. So the first platform is obviously LinkedIn, and I'll just search for like groups on LinkedIn of appointment setters and everything. So yeah, hopefully that's how we get like the first set of applications. Actually, should I do this first or like create the backend automation? So actually, I can like create an automation as well where we automatically contact them using WhatsApp. So you can use like WhatsApp API for this as well. I'm just going to be using like my normal phone WhatsApp because I don't think so. I need to use WhatsApp API for this. So I'll just create like a folder called hiring in automations as well. And boom. So now what we do is boom. We click on start from scratch. And I'll actually like create a WhatsApp group too for all these people. Yep. Looks good to me. I'll create a WhatsApp group. Boom. And over here, I just click on like contact tag. Not really. I can just do form submitted as a trigger. Form submitted. So whenever someone submits the form on a website, then the workflow starts. And yeah, this was the one appointment setter hire. And we can add some custom things as well. So yeah, boom. Then we can add like a condition to only send out messages to people who are like qualified. So for example, like I won't really be reaching out to people who don't have experience or some shit. So what I'm gonna do is I can just come over here and I can click on like if else, like contact details, like use the different fields. Like I'll have to search for the fields. How many appointments have you generated in your career as an appointment setter? Is not zero. So if anyone has not answered this, then we reach out to them. And yeah, so yeah, uh, then we can simply like assign them to a user as well, like from whose number which we're going to send out the message. And obviously I'll just send it out from my message. So if you have multiple employees, this will be helpful for you. Yeah, when it comes to like how many employees appointments, so yeah, we just send out the message and then we click on send SMS. And this is actually like a WhatsApp message in my account. I've told like the platform that we're sending out like I just told my platform that WhatsApp is SMS. So if you want to use like normal WhatsApp, then you can do this. Otherwise, you can use like SMS as well if people are using SMS more in the places where you use like target them. So yeah, I'll just be like, hey, first name. So Somil this side, just so you submitted the application form for the appointment setter role. What should I say as the call to action? Like what do I write? Just so you submitted the application form as in the appointment setter role. Are you ready to start work? Yeah, I think that's a pretty simple question. Please see. Join the WhatsApp group for where all info will be shared. So I'll just create like a new group. I'm not sure if we can do it from like laptop. I think you can only create a group using phone. I'm not sure. Oh, we can actually do it. So I'll just be like people. I'll just do this. Sales and appointment setters. Group permissions. Yeah. So I want like this will basically ensure that I say that yes, you have the permission to join the group and only those people can do it. Yeah. I think so. Do boom. I'll just create the group. And boom. It's created. Invite to group via link. I'll copy the link and add this to the initial message which we send out as well. And yeah, I think I'll actually add like a delay as well, like a 30-second wait so that it appears a bit human. Boom. Actually, I'll just like send this message out to everyone, even if they're like not experienced. So I'll just do it over here and I'll get rid of this condition as a whole. Boom. And I can publish this workflow. Yeah. Boom. So now the workflow is published and now we can contact these people as well. Yeah, I think we should be good to go. And I'll redirect these people to the WhatsApp group after they submit like the form automatically. So I can come over to sites. I can come over to funnels again. And over here, I can click on like hiring, the place where we created the funnel, and appointment set to hiring. I can come over here, click on edit, and just select the form. So what we're doing is basically like telling the software what to do after the person clicks submit on the form. So we click on the form and what to do like after people like click on submit. So I can be like, yeah, go to website URL, and website is basically like the link of the WhatsApp group. So I can just do that, and yeah, just seeing, yeah, everything looks good. Save and publish it. Boom. So obviously what we're now going to do is like post it to like just start posting this link to as many places as we can, because that's how we're going to be getting like these people to actually show interest and everything. So I'll just copy the link to the website, and yep, that's what we're going to do. I'll close out all these different tabs. Let's just focus on like LinkedIn for now. And in case you're wondering like why does my social media look so weird and shit, I actually have like hidden all the different tabs and shit. So what I can do right now is just search for appointment setting, and I can go over to groups. Yep, join. I think I'll have to wait for the permission also. Oh, mm, oh, oh. So I'll actually ask ChatGPT to create a graphic for the same as well. Mm, damn. O4 Mini has been released as well. Fuck yes, man. O3 was just released. Like O4 Mini has been released as well. Holy freaking shit! I love ChatGPT, bro. uh, why can't I create like image? Huh? Why is image generation not available? Hmm? What? Generate a 1:1 image saying hiring appointment setters type 3 guaranteed pay. uh, make it appealing to stop scrolls. Let's see what it comes up with. I don't know why. Like image, yeah, it's actually there. Image generation. It actually scared me for a moment. Like, has image generation gone? But they won't do it because obviously, like, they want our data. They want to use our images and stuff for training the AI model. So I think that's why, like, ChatGPT made image generation free. Hiring. Uh, I'll just give like use white and this color theme. So I just told it like what freaking color theme I want. And in the meantime, I can actually go over to X as well because a lot of people are available on X as well. Like a lot of niche communities for appointment setting and everything. Yeah, this looks good. So I'll just let it fully process. Yeah, I mean, damn, bro. Like graphic designers are probably going to lose their jobs, bro, at some point. And upload from computer, downloads, date, boom, next. Yeah, this is the message which we're going to send out. So I'll actually post it on my feed as well. So use the audience that you have. So I'll post it here. Add photo. I actually have a community on WhatsApp as well, sales, and so I'll just post it over there. A lot of business owners, appointment setters, and people who are into this field are also present. So I'll just do that because why not? Sales and community where it is. Oh, so we post it over here too. Now all we need to do is basically like post it as many places as possible. So I don't know if you can post on Instagram from your PC like text-based posts and shit, but I'll just post it on my stories as well after that. And all you're basically doing is putting it out in front of as many people because we want as many people as possible to apply, and then we can filter out. Also have like a community of skills and like a school type community. So why not post it over here as well? Because why not? I mean, like 130 people over here. Even if I find like one quality person from this, it's worth the effort. I'll just start. And images just I've seen like they grab attention better. So people actually read the text after they post as well. So yeah, I'll just do it over here. I can actually upload it to like my YouTube feed as well. Why not? Let's just create like a community post on YouTube on both my channels actually. Boom, once it has been sent out, Then we post it on our other channel as well. Boom. Post it over here. Hmm. Yep. Where else can we post? Like more LinkedIn groups. Because why only one group? Let's go to all the groups. Put our offer out in front of hundreds and thousands of people. And yeah, I think we did it over here. Let's just go to all of these. Join. I'll have to get my request approved over here. Then we come over here. We join over here as well. And just post the link everywhere possible. Yeah, I'm already a part of this group. So I can do this. Remove this, add the image. Boom. Post. Boom. 118,000 members. Like at least 1,000 people will see this. At least I can find like one person. Let's see. Didn't my post go out? I think this is the group where I just posted. Hmm. Let's just see. In Twitter as well, we can find for it. I think in communities we can find it. Appointment setter. I wanted to search this in communities, my friend. Oh, appointment setter. No community over here. Hmm? Lead gen. Let's just do this. Like maybe this community will be fine. Hmm. Not a GIF. I'll just add an image. Boom. I think you get the point what exactly we're supposed to do. And if I just keep on going on, you probably will get bored. Yeah, that's the entire process. Just like go to as many groups as possible on like Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook groups. I'll do this as well. And yeah, just put out a job posting. And by tomorrow, we'll have a lot of people applying for this. And then we employ them, we hire them, we pay them out, we get a lot of money back in return. Hope this helped. If you have any questions, just feel free to drop a comment below. Lot of cool shit in description. Check it out. Bye.